It's one of the proudest days of your life, your graduation. For many, like these graduates from Manchester Metropolitan University, it marks the end of education and the start of your life in the real world. But hang on, who's this? Has Sir Alex Ferguson really been reading textbooks in the dugout? Well, no. MMU is giving him an honorary degree, making him a doctor in business administration. The university says it's to mark his achievements as the most successful manager in British footballing history.
It's great to be recognised for your achievements. As I am today, I'm very proud of that.
It's obviously a very proud day for these students just about to go in to collect their degrees. Now, it's fairly common for public figures to be given so-called honorary degrees, and it's something that's been going on for at least 500 years. But of course it means they don't actually have to study for it, and they don't have to face the expense of being a student, which for many people means getting saddled with up to £20,000 of debt. Now, it's all very well having a famous face at your graduation, but if they're getting a degree for free, does it devalue everyone else's?
It's very admirable, I think, actually. Yeah.
I suppose he's worked very hard most of his life, so he has done the hard work in essence. I think it's well deserved.
I wouldn't really say it devalues everyone else's, but it's the fact that we have had to put quite a lot of work in and study hard to get what we've got. He's a football manager, he's not a student.
But he's still qualified, like running like Manchester United and like winning cups for our team. That's why he should get like an honour.
Sir Alex's success in his chosen profession and his exemplary support for charity make him a perfect role model.
It's not just Sir Alex who's collecting an honorary degree this summer. United's Gary Neville got one from Bolton University for his services to sport, along with Vernon Kay, who got one for his contribution to the entertainment world.
The most proudest day of my life, I think. To be here with you guys and be given a bit of crap.
Honorary degrees inevitably give universities a bit of publicity, and the people who get them are usually very deserving. But sometimes the choices can be somewhat questionable.
First, of course, I want to thank you for bestowing upon me this honorary doctorate in amphibious letters. That's not easy to say, even. And to tell you the truth, I never even knew there was such a thing as amphibious letters. After all those years on Sesame Street, you'd think I'd know my alphabet, right?
Of course, some of the students at Long Island University were delighted to be joined by the Little Green graduate in 1996, while others were simply horrified. Ben Bland, Channel M Today.